lazing along here. I was watching a couple when I first got here. I bet one of them was doing damn near 200 earlier. I mean, this guy here is lazing around about as fast as a pattern plane used to fly. You know, between 70 and 90.
Yep. Music, third throttle.
I guess most of these are semi-modified truck superchargers.
Yeah, somebody said turbo.
Yeah,
Turbo.
They go around looking for crash trucks to buy just the turbine for the supercharger.
Oh, now it's all custom made.
Yeah.
I think that's how they started.
Yeah.
With their truck turbos.
I wish they tried parts for this stuff. Still, the electronics
already?
gets me now.
You don't fix it, you send it back.
Well, if I get some of them down around 1,500 or somewhere, I might spring for a 1,500, you know, but I don't know. My eyes, like I say, they're really thin.
Yelling, is he going to land? I don't know. I think he's landing. Here he comes.
Oh, do you land it?
Oh, coming in for a land.
Over the crashes. I couldn't see myself.
That's a bad
Aw,
Yeah.
Oh, this
that
is
stinks.
me.